Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most attractive, stylish metalworking designs and ideas. Trendy metalwork designs you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding, most trendy, most attractive, beautiful metalworking designs. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of metalworking and woodworking you can see in this my channel. Best top designer ideas you can see. Those who love such type of metalworking. New and trendy designing ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. Stylish woodworking ideas, beautiful metal projects. You can easily make these very beautiful projects at home. Easy to make, easy to decor your home, your room, your lounge with beautiful and trendy stylish metalworking. Much beautiful designs and ideas you can see. Best top design ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.